Transferring funds from a prepaid card to Cash App is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, make sure you have a Cash App account and a prepaid card with sufficient funds. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Tap on the Banking tab at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then select Add Cash. Choose the Add Cash option and enter the amount you want to transfer from your prepaid card. Next, select your prepaid card as the payment method. You will be prompted to enter your prepaid card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any transfer issues. After entering your prepaid card details, review the transfer details to confirm the amount and the transfer method. If the information is correct, confirm the transfer. The funds will be transferred from your prepaid card to your Cash App account. It is essential to note that some prepaid cards may have restrictions or fees associated with transferring funds to Cash App. Check with your prepaid card issuer to confirm any potential fees or limitations before initiating the transfer. Additionally, for security purposes, Cash App may require verification of your identity or prepaid card information before completing the transfer. This is a standard procedure to protect your account and ensure the transfer is legitimate. To avoid any potential issues, ensure your prepaid card is active and has sufficient funds, and that your Cash App account is verified and up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully transfer funds from your prepaid card to Cash App.